So while I was editing this video, I realized that I had no intro, and it's one of those that you kind of need an intro to make it look all put together because it's basically all over the place. So that's what this is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today I have for you a room decor video, ideas for winter, or basically what I've been doing to incorporate into my room. I hope you guys enjoy these random ideas. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you want to see more of these videos, also let me know in the comments below because I actually enjoy making these for you guys. Side note, I changed a lot during this video because I filmed it in different days, but without further ado, let's roll the clip. Yes, I'm wearing PJs. Alright, so here is the before clip of my desk. I'm going to start off by taking everything out of the way and cleaning it. This one is pretty self-explanatory, but changing the scent or candle in your room to the season will always give it a nice feel. This one I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Moving on, I'm changing the doorknobs or these little knobs. I'm not too sure what to call them on a desk, but I personally like the ones that I already have. I just feel that changing them adds a nice fresh start. The ones I'm using are from Ikea, and my desk, by the way, I get a ton of questions, is from Target. So this is what my mouse pad looks like. Looks really spring in my opinion. I personally, fun fact, spray everything gold. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking this metallic gold and I changed it up a bit. I feel like it looks brand new and I didn't have to spend like $30 to get a new one. Next idea is adding a different accent to your table. Before I had a green plant that looked really summery, so I went ahead and went to Marshalls and found this white tree that screams winter. It was like 10 bucks and it's super cute. It also lights up, so I don't know, I feel like it adds great vibes to the room. Another accent that I added was this little jewelry holder. You could put earrings here. I got it for $2.99 at Marshalls, but I use it to put my SD cards. Moving on, as you can see, the desk is coming together, but the chair looks quite empty, doesn't it? So I went ahead and added this rug that I got from Ikea. I have like 5-6 of these, not even joking. I just really like these. It's actually pretty comfortable, so it ended up adding a nice touch and also being comfortable for my back. Winter vibes and all, I went ahead and got this throw from Target. I just fell in love with it, to be honest with you. I've been in love with this like little faux fur deco, and I just added it to the end of my bed and I loved it. Would you look at that, more faux fur. I'm telling you guys, I have a problem. I ended up getting this one from Walmart because it was a lot bigger. I was going to use the Ikea one, but this one was like 10 bucks or 20, and it ended up looking so nice, and it's so fluffy and soft. I personally feel that changing your rugs will always make your room look brand new without trying too hard. Last idea has to go to these lights right here that I got from Target at the dollar section. It wasn't $1, I think it was $3 or $5, but adding lights during the winter or any time of the year I feel like adds great vibes as well, you know what I mean? So I went ahead and added it to my clothing rack and I feel like it gave it a nice touch. Alright, so that was pretty much it. These are some of my ideas that I've been incorporating into my room for the winter. I hope you guys like it. Let me know which one was your favorite, and if you want to see more of these videos, give it a thumbs up and let me know. But until next time, bye guys!
If you busy plotting on what I got